Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope everything is going well for you and that you've come with a good mood and most importantly with a desire to learn. You know, knowledge is power, especially in trading, and if you feel like you're lacking some knowledge, I have a solution for you. Join my free community on Telegram. There you'll find a lot of useful information, especially if you've only recently started your journey in trading. You can also follow my live trading sessions and learn in real time. Pretty cool, right? Follow the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. See you there. Now let's take a look at what I've prepared for you this time. Today in our trading strategy, we'll be using two moving averages and the Parabolic SAR, which will help us determine the trend direction. We make it slightly bolder. I choose white for the dot color. The first SMA has a period of 6, is blue and made thicker. The second SMA has a period of 11, is red and also made bolder. Without waiting for any additional signal, I immediately open a sell trade. Since the parabolic dots are above the price, which is a signal of a downward trend. The parabolic indicates that the trend is bearish. If we look at the SMAs, then for a sell trade, the red line should be on top and the blue line below. That's exactly what we see right now, which is why we open the sell trade. We wait for the expiration time. So the first trade has closed. Not very confidently, but we can still see that the trend continues downward. Let's look at the next signal. A similar situation, but reversed. When the parabolic dots are below the price, it indicates an upward trend. The blue line is above the red one, which also points to a bullish trend. So here I open a buy trade and wait for it to close. The strategy is very simple yet aggressive because we use a 1-minute expiration on a 1-minute chart. The trades are fast and short, so we need to understand there is a chance of a negative result. However, if you remember to use a loss compensation system, it's not a problem. The second trade closes. I'm pleased with the result. Let's try to find another signal. Here we see a breakout, most likely a breakout from the previous low. The price is going lower. Let's wait for the candle to close. But to me, it's already clear that everything points to a sell trade. I open a sell trade. What else do we have confirming it? We see that the level is breaking, the parabolic dots are above the chart, the red line is above the blue, and everything indicates a continuation of this trend. We're not afraid that the chart has already moved far down. We simply support the overall market direction for this time frame. Negative result. As I say, the loss compensation system will be very helpful here. We wait for the price to rise a little and then open another sell trade. We wait for the candle to finish or some peak value so that the chart comes as close as possible to our dynamic level. 15 seconds, I open a sell trade. Done, the trade is open. We didn't wait for the peak, but I believe the movement will continue downward. Let's wait for the result and see what happens. Yes, the trade closed. Excellent. And with that, we'll wrap up. That's how this strategy works. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this strategy? Or maybe suggest a strategy you'd like to see next. And if you're just starting out and need expert help, don't hesitate to message me directly. You'll find my contact below the description. I have a small group of people for whom I provide training in my free time. I run trading sessions, share tools, guides, and other useful information. And the best part is, it's completely free. Don't believe it? Just send a message and see for yourself. That's all from me. See you very soon in the next video on the Tony Trades channel.